Hello everyone! Today I bring you the restoration of an antique cast iron pot that I wanted to try for a long time. This idea starts one lazy Sunday at the flea market in our French village. Every Sunday, lots and lots of merchants and individuals meet here to sell second-hand items, antiques, food, carpets, and just about anything you might need. We just wanted to see what the flea market had to offer, and taking advantage of the fact that I am in my best cooking moment, I decided to get this cast iron pot to restore it for only 7 euros. I've seen a lot of videos on internet and they all use almost the same restoration methods. I am going to apply them all, except for one that I think is the most important, but I will explain later why I haven't done it. So join me for these 10 steps in which I clean, restore and cook with this powerful pot. The first step is simple, consisting of a basic cleaning with soap, water and an iron sponge. Washing with the soap is what you shouldn't normally do with a cast iron pot, but in this case I want to remove the most superficial dirt. The second step is to scrub the pot with the sea salt and the iron sponge. This will have a very good exfoliating effect on the pot. The third step consists of leaving a combination of water and vinegar in equal parts for at least 24 hours. This will also keep the grease coming off and clean the open pores from the previous step. The next day I see that some of the rusted areas are more pronounced and see grease floating on the surface. Clearly the bottom of the pan is more clear and wiping it with a paper towel shows how all the grease is ready to be removed. So I'm going to repeat step 1 again with soap and iron sponge a couple of times, and this is the result. The combination of water and vinegar that I gave to the pot touched practically nothing to the cover, so I'm going to soak only this part. The fourth step is to make one of my favorite cleaning mixtures: baking soda, vinegar and boiling water. I let it sit for 12 hours. But when I remove the mixtures, I think it has done the same effect as the vinegar and water. I just noticed that the grease and dirt keeps coming off. So I'm going to take advantage of the fact that everything is wet to repeat the first step. Yes, again. I actually lost count of how many times I did this step, but I did it until the water stopped coming out black. When I was satisfied with the result and the cleaning was finished, I had to do something very important with cheese drying. When I did it, it began to take a bronze color. I read that is totally normal since the iron can have this reaction when the skin is uncovered. Now inside the pot I use natural products, but on the outside I'm going to be more aggressive and use this powerful grease cleaner. The truth is that it's incredibly efficient. I didn't see this step in any other channel, but I had to do it with this pot. As you can see on the outside, there is a sort of a thin black film that looks like a paint. There are other black areas that are clearly burnt grease, very normal in iron pots, but the texture of this black paint is very different. We only sanded the inside of the pot and the inside of the cover. Then, after a quick rinse with water to remove the sanding remains, we are going to dry the pan again to move on to the final seasoning. To season a cast iron pot, it is only necessary to spread sunflower oil all over the pot and heat it to the maximum, so this oil creates a protective and non-stick film. Normally, to heat the pot in the seasoning step, it would be best to warm it face down in an oven for 1 hour at 150 Celsius or more and repeat the process at least once. And this is the fundamental step that I couldn't do because I don't have oven, so I will do it with what I have. In my case, I left it at high temperature for an hour and then I repeated the oiling and left it for 2 hours. The goal is to get the pan to turn a black shiny color, something like this. Finally, to check that it's not sticky and completely clean, we must go to the action. Let's cook. Here I started by frying a leg of lamb in flour, and as you can see in the first frying, nothing got stuck. It is important in iron pots to wait until the oil is hot to prevent sticking. Then I fried some vegetables that did stick a little on the bottom, but they didn't look burnt. Despite my reservations about using this pan because I thought I haven't done the restoration right, the truth is that both the flavor and the texture was exceptional.